Good morning, students. Am I audible to everyone or not? Am I audible, Raya? So, everyone, how are you all, students? Are you fine? Are you fine? I'm also fine here. Hmm. So, do one thing. So, right now, I'm continuing our coursework. So, अपन पहले coursework को अपना continue करते हैं and 140, 240 and last 50 minutes we can continue on the discussion portion. Correct. So, we are doing in such way. So, just wait for a while. I'm checking your course planner. हाँ बच्चों. Okay, students. So, guys, have you received the sheet of structural identification and POC? Have you received any kind of sheet? आपके पास है कोई sheet structural identification? Hmm, hmm. Structural identification and the POC. You have not received the sheet. Structural identification and the POC. You have not received, students. Okay. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Why you are not received it that particular sheet? Students, so right now I'm just sending a message, already sent the message to the principal ma'am regarding the sheet, and they will definitely provide you a soft copy of structural identification and स्ट्रक्चरल आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड पीओसी आपको शीट मिल जाए मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली आपको शीट मिल जाएगा मेरे अकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा एज सुन एज पॉसिबल करेक्ट करेक्ट एवरीवन एंड लुक एट द IUPAC nomenclature sheet. I think that will contain only till IUPAC nomenclature. Correct, no? Okay, now I understand your problem that you didn't, why you didn't receive the structural identification sheet and POC. Now I'm getting. Shishir, beta, you have a sheet. That's a wonderful thing. But beta, the rest of 121 students will not receive the sheet. So you are only the exceptions one. You are only one the exception. You receive the sheet. That is a very good thing. But I'm talking about some other students also. Okay, Vidhi said that there is a short copy of POC and structural identification. करेक्ट वो आपको ना प्रिंसिपल मैम इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे ओके नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम स्क्रीनशॉट छोड़ो यार आपको मैम फिर से प्रोवाइड कर देंगे तो एवरीवन डॉक्टर्स you will get the sheet as soon as possible from the portal in the form of a soft copy करेक्ट एवरीवन आपको सॉफ्ट कॉपी की फॉर्म में आपको शीट मिल जाएगा करेक्ट एवरीवन correct and someone inform you that how can you download this thing so don't worry so now I'm coming towards the structural identification okay structural identification so write down everybody now we start with this is a new sheet work okay Vidhi share to everyone here please share to everyone Vidhi please share to everyone this particular sheet and please send विधि मेरे को भेजना व्हाट्सएप पर पर्सनली आप मेरे को भी भेज देना थैंक यू सो मच you can send to me also everybody आप मुझे पर्सनली भेज दो सो दैट आई कैन गो थ्रू इट yes beta yes if you don't have a device you can skip it Pritam beta they vidhi sent to everyone na you can download that PDF simple thank you vidhi Beta, you don't have Shishir. You are also download this. Correct. So guys, I already sent to in your WhatsApp group. You can download it later. Okay. So now I'm starting. Likho beta. Structural identification. Structure. Structure. Identification. Identification. Structural identification. So I'm writing from the first one. Write down, students. So first I'm discussing hydrogenation. First I'm discussing hydrogenation. Okay, hydrogenation of alkene, alkene and alkyne, alkyne. Second one, beta. Second one, we are doing monochlorination. What I'm saying, monochlorination of saturated carbon. We remember saturated, only saturated carbon. Third point, beta ji. What will be the third point? Ozonolysis. What the third point? Ozonolysis of alkene and alkyne. Ozonolysis of alkenes and alkynes. What will be the fourth point, students? Fourth will be the practical of organic chemistry. Practical of organic chemistry. Practical of practical of organic chemistry. Okay, guys. So we will deal these four parts. Correct. The first three parts are very easy. The fourth part is relatively a larger one. Correct. This will Manasa said that, sir, where should we write these notes? Should we write this note? So where we should we write the notes? But better obviously after IUPAC, this is the next booklet. In our book, this topic is not, sir, because my phone storage is full. But in your book, the topic is not there. But I sent a file in your WhatsApp group in the form of a sheet. You can download that sheet and do the work. Simple. Correct. Correct, everyone. Now, students, we are discussing one by one. So first, we are discussing the first part. What will be the first part, students? Hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. Sir, we are done with IUPAC, right? Yes, beta. Hydrogenation. And hydrogenation of what, beta? We are doing hydrogenation of alkene, alkene and alkyne. Correct, everyone? Hydrogenation of alkene and alkyne. Wait for a while. I remember that I have this particular chapter. If we have a chapter, so why we are writing? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, students. Okay. Sir, is there any trick to have for remember the functional group table? Better there is no trick, Shloka. Honestly. Sankalp, sir, continuation of IUPAC. You can think, yeah, it's a continuation. Okay. So guys, now I'm discussing. First, you will do one thing. आप पहले से लिख लो यार. Please write down this. Then we start with the hydrogenation of alkene and alkyne. Please write down. Please write down. These are the headings, and we are discussing from the first heading. we have already in written form, so I can use that particular content. So have you first you finish this four heading and make a new heading, that hydrogenation of alkene and alkyne. I'm your organic chemistry teacher, and I'm continuing with the like first we finish IUPAC, then we finish isomerism, and then now we start with the structural identification, and where we have like we need to learn these 4 points. Okay, hydrogenation, monochlorination, ozonolysis, and then we will move towards the practical of organic chemistry. Correct, beta? Everybody done? How much? So everybody, I think, done that part, correct? So now I will move towards this one. Okay, everyone. So now, guys, we are discussing what? We are discussing. We are discussing what, students? We are discussing hydrogenation of alkene and alkyne. Okay. This is the part of hydrogenation step. Hydrogenation of alkene and alkyne. We remember. What is the mean of hydrogenation, students? So the mean of addition of hydrogen on alkene or alkyne. So look at the reaction, students. We have any alkene in the presence of H2 and beta either nickel, palladium, platinum, rhodium, and beta at room temperature. What I'm saying? What I'm saying, students, at room temperature, my dear, at room temperature, beta this double bond will change into this two hydrogen will add up here. Correct, everyone? So along the double bond, there is a formation of hydrogen, and beta there is a removal of this double bond. And we remember there is heat is released. The heat is called heat of hydrogenation. The heat is called hydrogenation. Heat of hydrogenation. Okay, everyone. So this is called the hydrogenation process. So please write down beta what is the mean of hydrogenation and what will be the reaction. So write down everyone. Sir, this is a alkene. Yes, beta. This is a alkene. This is a alkene. Sir, can you show, can you show for the alkyne also? Yes, I will show you. I will show you for the alkyne also, students. But before, hmm. Done, everyone. Just give me a confirmation message that yes, sir, we have done this reaction, and now I understand the mean of hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen along the double bond or along the triple bond. Okay, answer it vanishes the what beta double bond. Correct, everyone. I think everybody done this part. Now we will move to the next slide. Now, sir, this is for alkyne portion. Now this is for sir alkyne. So look at the alkyne reaction, my dear. देखो बेटा, this is the sorry. So beta this is the alkyne, okay, and in the presence of H2 and beta above same conditions. Same means nickel, palladium, platinum, rhodium, and beta room temperature per, and they are present in axis. And look at it. Here we have two pi bonds. So two pi bonds will break down, and we have added of what beta, four hydrogen atoms, or you can say two molecule of H2. So how can you correlate moles of H2 related to the number of carbon-carbon pi bonds? Moles of H2 related to the number of number of carbon-carbon pi bonds. Means beta, sir, if we have a two pi bonds, so it means 2 moles of H2 will absorb. Here we have how many bonds? Sir, two pi bonds. Two pi bonds. So how many molecules are absorbed of H2? Sir, 2 moles of H2 is absorbed. 2 moles of H2 will be absorbed. Correct, everyone? So we can relate this thing. Now, hydrogenation process occurs in case of alkyne and alkene. And the next point, hydrogenation of aromatic compound. Guys, most important one. They are saying hydrogenation of aromatic ring is possible only on high temperature. Sir, if it is room temperature, sir, if it is room temperature, let's say if I'm saying, let's say this is an aromatic ring. Okay, I will make a pi bonds. It's better for you. So we have two conditions, either H2 nickel and beta room temperature. So we remember reaction note occurs. But if I'm saying H2 and beta nickel, whatever nickel, platinum, and I'm saying high temperature. So guys, now hydrogenation process take place, and all the three double bonds will adsorb, and it will form cyclohexane. Correct, everyone? Sarmista said, sir, alkane में possible है. So Sarmista, put apply your some common sense, my dear. Alkane के beta, they have already four bonds. How it will be possible? You can add up the H2 molecule. Can you think? If I'm saying CH3, if they already have four bonds, how can you add beta one more atom? Correct? हाँ बच्चों. So this is the mean of the third point, and this is the 5-star rated thing, that benzene ring at high temperature, it will undergo what beta? Hydrogenation. And beta alkane, how it will be possible to add? What right? वो heading क्या था बच्चों? What will be the heading? Heading is alkene and alkyne only undergo. जो already those compounds which have already saturated, how can you make more saturated, students? So please don't say like that कि alkane will undergo hydrogenation. And please write down this second page, students. Write down, everybody. Write down, everyone. Can you show the first page? No, I will not show you. Why are you always lacking, yaar, Lasya? I'm giving you sufficient time, still you are not writing, yaar. Is it the right way? Done, everyone? Take a screenshot fast. Beta, why are you late in a class? Tell me one thing, Lasya. You are saying I need to write the first page. Where are you at that time? Guys, if you are doing these things, I will ignore your messages. Very simple. Please be on time. I'm getting 10 minutes late due to my problem. And this is some technical problem, you can say. So when I'm giving you the time, you are not writing. And now you are saying I need to write. This is not the correct way. I'm really sorry. So if you have taken a screenshot, it's a good thing for me. So now guys, we need to identify the next one. Wait for a while. So now students, we are moving towards the next one. This is what beta, identify the all possible structures of reactant alkene. अब बोले तो देखो ध्यान से, what I'm trying to say here right now. So guys, here is the question, a question. The molecule given is C4H8, and beta on hydrogenation, it will give what beta? This compound. This is what beta? This is a product. So can you please guess a product? So first we need to find out the du. When you find out the du will be 1. You can apply the formula of du. Okay, everyone. Now, beta, what will be the possible A? The possible A is what, beta? Either they have one double bond, correct? Either they have, this is the double bond, and either they have, this is the double bond. Now, beta, first and third, both are same. First and third, both are same, students. So, what will be the possible one here? How many possible C4H8 structure? So how many possible structure, students? So two possible structure. Correct, everyone? I hope you understand this particular thing. Correct. Now we are moving towards the next one. Okay. So now I rub these answers. It's better for you. Come on, guys. Can you please prove that how it will be three structures? So here du will be 1. We remember du need to find out yourself. So try to solve the second question. Put the double bond, and this is the product, students. Product. Du1 means 1 pi bond. Simple. If du is 2, it means we need to put 2 pi bonds. So I think you have done these things. So very nice. So guys, I'm drawing the basic skeleton firstly. 1, 2, 3 and beta 4. So look at it everyone. First structure, this one possible. Second structure, this one is possible. Third structure, this one is possible. Correct everyone? Sometimes saying students this one. So my dear students, this first and this first dash, both are same. If you are not believe, you can give the IUPAC name. Both are same. Both are same students. Correct. So this is the second structure. This is the third structure. I'm again telling you guys, first and first dash both are same. If you are not believe, you can give the IUPAC name. This is the parent chain here, and here this is the parent chain. So, but a 2-methyl, it's a 2-methyl. It's a but one in, it's a but one in. So, how many possible structure? Answer in front of you. 3 structures. Please write down, everyone. Rohan, do critical thinking, beta. Done, everyone. Guys, I'm giving you the sufficient time for the writing. Guys, if you are still lacking, it means you are not writing in a proper way. So be remember, it's not my fault if you are lacking. Be remember, because here if I'm giving you the maximum time, sometime we are lacking our syllabus also. You know very well. So guys, I think I'm giving you the sufficient time, more than sufficient. I think. Correct. Now I will move to the next structure. What will be the next one? Now look at this one. This is the product, students. Write down the product. Write down the product. So guys, how can you think that particular question? How can you think that particular question? Okay. So look at it. It's a C structure. C6H12. C6H12. So what will be the Du here? So Du will be 1. So now you can put one double bond. So either you can put here, either you can put here, and either you can put here. Now one students are saying, sir, can we put here like? So beta, this first and this first dash, both are same. This is second and this is third. Sometimes students are saying, sir, why we are not this one? So beta, it's a second dash. Both are same. Second and second dash, both are same. So the only possibility is 1, 2, and the 3. That's why we are saying this position and this position is equivalent position. Equivalent means either you can put double bond here, here. This yellow, this is also equivalent. And beta, this is the new one. This is the new one. So only 3 structures. Now look at it here, students. Look at it here. Guys, we need to find out the number of moles of hydrogen atom. So here I'm putting what? Here I'm putting what, students? I'm putting high temperature. And if high temperature is there, it means, sir, all the bonds will reduce. So how many pi bonds, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. So beta, all the 5 bonds, 4 bonds are reduced. So how many molecules? How many molecules of H2? So moles of H2 moles of H2 consumed. How many moles, students? Very easy question, fifth class question. Sir, 4 moles. And if I'm saying nickel at room temperature, so only this bond, this pi bond will reduce. So moles of H2 consumed is 1. Correct, everyone? Sometimes they will ask H2 moles. Sometimes they will ask the product. Okay, everyone. Correct, everyone. Sarmista, what I'm saying, क्या पढ़ा आपने फर्स्ट में क्या पढ़ा बेटा? मैंने क्या बोला था यहाँ पर? देखो मैंने क्या बोला है कि रूम टेम्परेचर पर बेंजीन रिंग विल नॉट रिड्यूस or benzene ring will not show hydrogenation. So I'm repeating the same point again. I'm not giving you some new concept. कोई नया concept थोड़ी ना है. I'm saying guys, it's a high temperature. High temperature बोले तो everything is reduced. So total pi bonds 5. So total moles are 4. But if I'm saying at room temperature, so only the outer pi bond will reduce and we will get this product. Guys, this is not the new concept. Please open your ears, your mind, and everything. Please open it. I know this is the last class, I think. Oh, it's the second last class, guys. You know very well that this week you will get Sunday, a totally free Sunday. Done, everyone. This is the second last class. Okay. Okay, beta. Done, everyone. How did you find the number of moles consumed? Hmm. Deepa beta, Deepa beta, you are not present in my class. What I'm writing here, number of pi bonds is equal to the number of moles of H2. What I'm writing here, beta, in the second slide, we are using this application now. Number of pi bonds is equal to the number of moles of H2. Correct, students? I'm using number of pi bonds will equal to the number of moles of H2. बेटा देर इज नो मैथ लाइक आप अगर आप भूल रहे हैं इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट अवेयर सिंपली अब ये 2 मिनट पहले पढ़ा है अगर आप उसे ही भूल जा रहे हैं तो फिर आप समझ रहे हैं आप चीजों को याद नहीं रख पा रहे हैं तो प्लीज थोड़ा उसे याद रखिए यार अदरवाइज आप तो सब भूल जाएंगे सो सिंगल फंक्शनल ग्रुप बेटा कंप्लीट फंक्शनल ग्रुप को याद कर लो बेटा कंप्लीट फंक्शनल ग्रुप कंप्लीट आईयूपीएसी कर लो मनासा बेटा and why you are taking tension you have finished the IUPAC so I don't think कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होनी you can finish the IUPAC from your side also because single functional group they will ask some question from aromatic compounds also so it's better you can learn complete IUPAC there is no aromatic spiro compounds right? एरोमेटिक तो पूछ सकते हैं ना, सिंगल फंक्शनल ग्रुप में एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स भी तो आ सकता है। So I will give one suggestion. Do complete IUPAC. Simply, simply. You have already done the complete IUPAC in my class. So guys, complete it. According, just forget the test level. Complete the IUPAC and give the test. Have you done, everyone? Guys, I'm giving you a sufficient time. If you are not still writing, so it's not my mistake. Now look at this one, students. You need to find out what you need to find out, students. What you need to find out, students. What you need to find out. So guys, tell me the product first. Tell me the product. So here room temperature is mentioned. It means benzene ring will not reduce. Okay, and only this triple bond will reduce. So how many bonds are reduced? 2 pi bonds. So how many moles? 2 moles. How many moles? 2 moles. Now I'm giving you the heat. Heat means high temperature. Heat means high temperature. So what will be the product? So this time benzene ring as well as this one. So how many pi bonds here? So 3 pi bonds here and 1 pi bond here. So total beta 4 pi bonds. So you may write 4 pi bonds are consumed. So 4 moles of H2. 4 moles of H2. Correct, students? So write down now. So guys, these are the very easy one. It's not difficult as we compare to the isomer. It's an easy topic. Hydrogenation. Very easy topic. Do it fast of the doctors. Please write down. Done, everyone. Now we are moving towards the next slide. Look at this one. Now, guys, we are moving towards the next, next topic. That is, that is, that is. Wait a minute. देखो बेटा next. Now we have the next topic is monochlorination. Guys, mono means what? The addition of one chlorine. And students, अभी बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको because you are forgetting saturated one. Saturated बोले तो sp3 hybridized carbon. And what is sp3 hybridized carbon? Which are forming 4 sigma bonds. Which are forming all the 4 bonds. All the 4 bonds are sigma. We remember. So look at the देखो, this is a sp3 hybridized carbon in the presence of chlorine, in the presence of sunlight. This is a sunlight, okay, or heat or peroxide. We replace one of the hydrogen. Let's say all are hydrogen here. So this one of the hydrogen, because it's a mono. Mono means only one. So out of the 4, one hydrogen will be placed with the chlorine. Correct, everyone? Now, if we add further chlorine, so it will replace one more. It will replace one more. If we add further, it will replace one more. And if we add further, if we add further, if we add further, like H nu, arey yaar, if we add further H nu and Cl2, then we will get what beta? Cl, 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 and Cl. Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? So this is a very simple reaction, sir. We can replace the CH bond with the CCl bond simply. And sir, we are only replacing the what beta? Monochlorination means single chlorine. And one more thing, sir, this will happen only in case of sp3 hybridized carbon. If it is sp2, if it is sp, then monochlorination will not occur. So write down everyone. Write down everyone. लिखो बच्चों. Write down. Correct, students? I hope you understand. But by the examples, you have more practice about this monochlorination. So example से आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. You will get more clarity about this monochlorination. What does it means exactly? Because now I'm giving you a journal reaction. And we remember, you need to stop till here when you are solving a question. Why, sir? Because beta, it's a case of dichlorination, it's a case of trichlorination, it's a case of tetrachlorination. So it's a mono, bi, tri, tetra. But in our syllabus, only mono. But in our syllabus, only mono. Only mono. Doctors, you are again today so silent. Yeah, I don't know what happened with you. I don't know what happened with you. Why you are so silent? So much silent. Okay, so please write down. And guys, just give me a confirmation message. Now I will announce the winner. I will announce the winner who finished the things very efficiently. Very good. So this time the winner is, I'm not find out the winner. This time I'm not able to find out the winner. But from the next time I will announce the winner of each slide. Now this is the winner. In this way you can do a little bit fast. Okay. So now I'm taking the example of monochlorination. So look at the monochlorination example. Look at it, students. So just थोड़ा patience रखेंगे, थोड़ा सा patience. Look at the patience, students. थोड़ा सा patience. You need to write down. हाँ. Now the things are easy for you. Sir, why you are rubbing this thing? So that you can understand the thing. Otherwise, you are saying, sir, what happened? I don't understand. Correct, everyone. So these are the three questions. I'm discussing the first one first. So guys, this yellow mark both are same. So either you can put chlorine at this. Let's say I'm given numbering 1, 2, 3. So either at 1, either at 3. Both are same. So let's say first I'm putting at 1 and second I'm putting at 2. So beta these are the only two products. Sometimes students are saying what about this one? So beta this first one and this first dash beta both are same. You can give the IUPAC name 1 chloropropane 1 chloropropane. Correct, everyone? So the how many total types of how many types? Sir, two type of product. Two type of products. So how many products, students? Two products. Correct, everyone. Correct, everyone. So this is the answer. Now look at the second question. Second question. Guys, look at the yellow mark. Both are same. Correct, everyone. So let's say if I'm putting here 1 chlorine, then beta we can put 2 chlorine. Sometimes students are saying what about this one and what about this one, students? So beta both are same. A and D. A and D are same. Correct, everyone. And similarly, B and C. B and C both are same. B and C both are same. So how many types of product in the second example? So sir, we will get the same two type of products. Type, are you understanding the mean of type? Means two product you can say. Now look at the third question. So guys, देखो, terminal position both are same. Same. So this is the one product. This is the second product. This is corner one. Correct, everyone? What about the third one? So this is the third one. Correct, everyone? Sir, if you are having doubt now, so it's better you can put put here and you can give the name. So beta one, देखो. Now what will be the product here? What here? I will make a boundary so that you can understand the thing. So guys, first we will put here. So it's a first product. Then beta, we will put here chlorine. So it's a second product. Then we will put here third. So it's a third product. Then we will put here chlorine. This is the fourth product. So how many total products? Four products. Correct, everyone? Those students who are thinking, sir, it may be also. So guys, it's a one dash. Or one and one dash both are same. They are totally same. Same. Correct, everyone? So four unique product. Very nice. The answer given by the Jasmita. Very good, Dr. Jasmita. Sir, make boundary for the second question. It's also very confusion. Okay, I will make a boundary. Okay, now I think it will be understandable for you. Okay, Harshita Beta. Okay, so write down the first one. Guys, now you understand the mean of monochlorination? Sir, we need, yeah, simple, sir. We need to put one chlorine atom. अपन को एक chlorine atom put करना है. Correct, and we will get the answer. Simple. Correct. अरे बोलो बच्चों. Very good. This time winner will be the, who is the winner? So this time beta Vamshi. Vamshi will be the winner. Then second position Amruta. Third position Sarmista. Fourth position Anushka. Fifth position Parvalika. Sixth position Vidhi. And now we have many more competitors. Renuka, then Nagashwami, Lakshmi, Lakshmi Lahari. What the name? Lahari, Lahari. Nice name, Lakshmi. We have a Lakshmi Chandana also there. Where is Lakshmi Chandana? Dr. Lakshmi Chandana. Where the Lakshmi Chandana? I think she is not present today, I think. So now we are moving towards the next slide, students. Be prepared for the next slide. So guys, here, look at the positions. Look at the positions. Okay, students. So guys, how many product? Can anybody tell me? How many products, students? Can you please tell me how many products? So guys, when you first time when you saw this example now, there is a one trouble. What is the trouble, students? I will tell you the trouble, students. I will tell you. I will tell you the trouble. What will be the trouble here actually? Let's say if I'm saying this is CS3. So guys, you are thinking, sir, this is the first one. Okay. Sir, after that, sir, both are same because there are hydrogen. Then, then students, you are saying, sir, these two are same. Yes. Then beta, next one, which one? Sir, this is the center one. So total product कितने आ रहे हैं बेटा? How many total product? Very good. Hemant beta, very nice. Hemant said a very correct answer. जैसे Jasmita, Sarmista said, sir, 1, 2, 3, three products. So my dear students, it's not three. Beta, these all positions are sp2 hybridized. And what I'm saying in the starting, are you remembering? अरे भूल गए, we are saying sp3 hybridized. Oh my god. So sir, it will not undergo. So only this is sp3 hybridized, and we will get only one product, single exclusive product. अरे बोलो, बोलो बच्चों, बोलो. Oh my God, Sri Vigna, क्या बात है. I feel very happy about your symbols. I love those guys जो symbols use करते हैं chat में, because I'm very, feel like that those students who are use symbols in their chat, they are saying, "Oh my God, sir, what happened?" अरे doctors, why are you not speaking, yaar? What happened? So this was easy. It's not easy, Sarmista. Chalo, Sarmista, give me an answer of second question. Second question. Shallow students. Sir, you are drawing three structure. It means their answer is three. Okay. So can you please give the name of three? Can you please write down the structure of three? Chalo, लिखो structures लिखो. Oh. चलो Vigna. Sri Vigna. Write down. Hemant said written, sir. Very nice. So guys, we have one product. Then we have second product. And beta, then we have third product. Sir, very laddu. Sir, one. Sir, two. Sir, three. Yay! Correct, everyone. So we will get first. We will get second. Very good. We will get the third. How many students got the correct answer? Just not raise their hand. I'm saying, just give me a confirmation message. Yes sir, I'm the correct, I'm the winner, I'm the queen, I'm the king. Come on students. Vamshi said that I'm the king. Rusna said I'm the queen sir. Sloka said I'm the queen sir. Very nice. Hemant beta, I got correct. Good beta. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, Shishir, very nice. Sir, three letter. Oh my God, Manisha, you are speaking in my language. For oh, you said Samika said I'm the chemist, sir. Oh my God. She didn't said that I'm the queen. She said I'm the chemist one. Very clever girl you are. Okay, like the clever students. Sir, are you joking? No, I'm not joking. I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying students. I'm enjoying the teaching, and you can enjoying the learning. Sir, can you write the notes freely? It's really confusion. यार अभी थोड़ा ना इसको follow कर लेते हैं because we have a written form, so it's little bit save our time. So we can more emphasize on the what part? Discussion part. Correct, Harshita? We'll do one thing. We'll rub some important things so that you will not confused. Okay. So I will do one thing. I will rub some facts. Sir, I'm the participant, sir, and I got the correct answer. Oh my God, you won the KBC. Khan Maninga Karod Pati. Come on, Bacho. So now we are moving towards the next one. Now we are. So guys, please don't write now. Please don't write. Please don't write. Please don't write. Just write down the line. Line लिखो firstly. Please write down the lines. Please write down the lines. Please write down the lines, students. Write down the lines only, students. Guys, now write down the first question, second question. Now I think it will be easy for you, Harshita Beta. Now you are happy, Beta. Yes, sir. Now I am happy. Now I am happy. Sir, you are angle. Oh my God. क्या यार शीशे कुछ भी आप फ्रेंक हो जाते हो बिल्कुल. चलो बच्चों. Identify the number of monochloro products for the following 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are having a 5 question, students, and give me an answer. Give me an answer, students. Give me an answer, students. Let's see. Try to find out. Try to find out, then I will give you the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh my God. Shir, please be in your limit, yaar. How can you speak such kind of things, students? So guys, now I'm solving the first question. So guys, this is the first. This is the carbonar. All are same. Correct, everyone. Then beta one. These are the same, students. And beta the third one. This is the middle one. So how many products you will get, sir? 3 products. I hope you understand. करेक्ट एवरीवन। ओ माय गॉड, 7 तो आएगा ही नहीं बेटा। 7 इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर, इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर। So only 3 type of products, students. They are saying number of monochloro products. So be remember, we are assuming it. They are asking the type of product. Be remember, type of products. Okay, please don't say that it's a 6 7 kind of. Now I'm looking for the this one. So beta one, both are same. Correct. Now beta these are also same. Guys, we are using this method only for symmetrical molecules. Now beta this one and this one, or either you can put this one and this one. This all 4 are same. Either you can put chlorine here, either you can put chlorine here beta. All are having the same. Correct. So you will get the total answer of what beta? 3. Total answer of what beta? Total answer कितना आ जाएगा प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों, please tell me the answer. So total product is 3. Total product is 3. Correct. Now we are moving here. The next one, third one. So beta one product. Now I'm writing one. So it's a one product. Sir, it's a two product. It's a three product. It's a two. Three. It's a three, students. So it's a three. Then beta it's a four. Both are same. Both are same. So 5 5. And beta it's a 6. And beta it's a 6. Write down everyone. Write down everyone. Give it. Second one I didn't get. So Sloka, you are saying second one. So beta, let's say if you are thinking this is a different one and this is a different one, you can put one chlorine here, you can one chlorine here, and give the IUPAC name of the two different compounds. You will realize that sir both are same. Okay, I'm marking this. These two are same. These two are same. So 1, 2, 3 total product are 3. Now the next one. Look at it. So guys, look at it. So this is the one product, second product, corner one, third one, beta third, then beta fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Correct. Is there any other possibility? Yes, this one 9. So total 9 answer. Why sir? All positions are different because this molecule is totally asymmetrical. करेक्ट एवरीवन। थर्ड वन का तो बेटा 5 आंसर आएगा ना, थर्ड वन का तो 5 आंसर आएगा, थर्ड वन का 5 आएगा। 1, दिस इज 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6। करेक्ट 6 आएगा भाई, 6 आएगा बच्चों, 6 आएगा बच्चों, 6। करेक्ट 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 करेक्ट। नाउ फ्रॉम हियर बेटा देखो, this position, this position, this position, this position, totally same, totally same. Now beta this position 1 2 3 4। so guys center पर भी आएगा, कैन एनीबडी टेल मी सेंटर पर भी क्लोरीन आएगा? इन सेंटर शर्मिष्ठा, in center one there is one chlorine possible? Is it possible? No, because carbon already form 4 bonds, carbon carbon bonds. So your answer will be 2, not 3. We need carbon hydrogen bond, we remember, we need carbon hydrogen, we need sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Correct beta ji, correct beta ji. Okay, okay everyone, so I already shared you a sheet, so please complete the sheet section having hydrogenation and chlorination, हाइड्रोजनेशन एंड क्लोरीनेशन, वो आपको कंप्लीट करना है. सर फोर्थ वन को एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. बेटा दिस इज अ टोटली एसिमेट्रिकल मॉलिक्यूल, टोटल एसिमेट्रिक. Asymmetric means you can't divide into two parts. Every position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, every position will give what beta? Monochlorination product. Correct everyone, correct everyone, बोलो बच्चों. Okay, so guys, now I'm finishing the discussion topic here. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक बार शीट का बता देता हूँ. मैं आपको एक काम करता हूँ, जस्ट वेट फॉर अ वाइल, वेट करो अभी. Wait for a while. I will open the chat. And where is the chat? Yes, this is the chat. And yes, yes, yes. So guys, you need to solve. You need to solve. Uh, you need to solve, students. Write your homework. Exercise 1. You need to solve exercise 1, part 1. Catalytic hydrogenation. Section A you need to solve. ठीक है बच्चों. Similarly, part 2, section A. Correct everyone. ओके, सो आपको एक्सरसाइज 1 पार्ट 1 और एक्सरसाइज पार्ट 2 का सेक्शन ए को सॉल्व करना है स्टूडेंट्स. करेक्ट एवरीवन. करेक्ट एवरीवन. अब एक काम करो बच्चों, डू वन थिंग. डू वन थिंग. करेक्ट। अब एक काम करो बच्चों, ओपन योर शीट, शीट को ओपन करो, ओपन योर शीट, सॉरी, ओपन योर शीट स्टूडेंट्स, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर शीट, IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर शीट। ठीक है बच्चों, नाउ टेल मी, अगर आपको इशू है एक्सरसाइज 1 पार्ट 1 में कंप्लीट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंप्लीट पार्ट 1, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंप्लीट पार्ट 1, part 1 only, I am discussing firstly the part 1. If you have any doubt, so you can tell me, otherwise I will move towards the part 2. It's a open doubt session, you can ask any question, but we remember give the proper channel. Part 1 में कौन सा क्वेश्चन बोल रहे हो आप, you can please tell me, and if I cross the part 1, then you have to wait. So one students reply me B7, beta B7, wait, the higher homologous of dimethyl. So beta, if I'm saying homologous, so Anushka beta, homologous means difference in CH2 unit. So जो next homologous होगा बेटा, देखो जो next homologous होगा, so beta it's a first homologous this one, and this is a secondary amine बेटा, secondary amine. ये क्या है बच्चों, secondary amine है, correct everyone, क्या है बच्चों ये secondary amine, secondary amine है, correct. अब if we move towards the next homologous, so definitely we need to add one CH2 unit here, because in A option it's a tertiary amine, it's not correct. B option we have primary amine, it's not correct. C option we have the secondary amine, that's why this is the answer, correct. Now they are saying sorry sir, section B question number 4, question number 4 देखो बेटा, secondary alcohol. So beta secondary alcohol means OH group attached to that carbon which is directly connected to 2 carbon. So only first one is the correct option beta. Can you send the sheet in a WhatsApp only? What? No, I didn't get. Rudra beta, I'm really sorry for that. You will receive the sheet from the resonance management team. This is a B4 question I'm saying, Anushka beta. That's why B will be the correct option. You can check the second option, it's a tertiary amine. Okay, sorry yaar, it's my mistake, it's not your mistake. So what about the fourth, what will be the primary alkyl halide? So this is similar to the alcohol beta. So alkyl halide means halogen which are directly connected to carbon, and they are saying primary, so only one carbon attached. So only which one? Third one. Third one is what beta? It's C, and we are getting this C and Cl. So look at this carbon beta. This carbon directly connected to only one. That's why it's a primary alkyl halide. What about the first option? First option secondary. Second option is also secondary. And fourth option we have, I think it's a tertiary. Yes, tertiary. That's why this is the answer. Correct. Is there any other problem, students? Tell me, bacho. Otherwise, I will move to the part 2. Can we move to the part 2? Say yes, sir. Yeah. At least say yes, sir. C7. We have one more problem. C7. C7 and C5. Sir, is the portal, they said that is single functional group? No. Does it bicyclone spiro? What I'm saying, students, you can complete the IUPAC nomenclature for the upcoming test. Simple. Why you are like fear about this thing? And C9 also, very nice. We have already discussed the section C. Still, if you have a doubt, it means you are not there at that time. Full sheet book, right, sir? Yes, full sheet. So भैया C5 को देखो सबसे पहले, IUPAC name of tertiary butyl. So they are saying tertiary butyl, so beta write down tertiary butyl chloride. Now beta this is a parent chain, So it's a 2,2-dimethyl ethane chloride. Sorry. 2-chloro, 2,2-dimethyl, 2-chloro, 2-chloro. Wait यार. ठीक है. C5 you are saying ना? C5. Yes, it's a 2-chloro, 2,2. It's a नहीं यार ऐसा होगा ना ये पेरेंट चेन तो ये बन जाएगा ना पेरेंट चेन बच्चों look at the parent chain. So this is the parent chain. Okay. So it's a 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. Correct everyone. Now C5. IUPAC name. This is the C5 question I think. Now we are moving towards C7. Look at the C7 question. Correct structure of. So beta first one is the correct answer. How it will be? So now I will prove. I think we have already done this particular question in your class. So guys, you choose the longest carbon chain. So beta 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why we choose this one because we need to choose longest carbon chain. Now give the numbering. How can you give the numbering? From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think you will get the correct answer. Now beta C9. A student name a certain compound 2,3-diethyl butane. This question I have done I think 4 or 5 times in your class. I don't know why you are not getting these things. Guys, students give 2,3-diethyl. So this is ethyl group. Now beta according to student, now forget the student. Now what your option? Sir, this is a parent chain. But student ask what? Student assuming this is a parent chain. This is a parent chain. So beta student assuming a wrong chain. And this is the actual chain. So it's a 3,4-dimethyl hexane. So this is a C9 question. Okay, now we are talking about J4. So write down the J4, GHI, J4. J4 question देखो students now. J4 question. So it's a C2H5O, and beta we are getting this C double bond O. Look at this group. इस ग्रुप को अपन क्या बोलते हैं सर? एस्टर ग्रुप बोलते हैं. सिंपल. अरे भैया डरना है ही नहीं. CH and we are getting CH3 and CH3. तो देखो इसका पेरेंट चेन क्या होगा? इसका पेरेंट चेन क्या होगा? आई थिंक ये पेरेंट चेन हो जाएगा. करेक्ट. So we are writing alkyl. So it's a ethyl. And then beta 1, 2, 3. So it's a ethyl. Look at the second option. Ethyl 2-methyl, 2-methyl, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons of propanoid. So we are writing alkyl alkanoids. Correct everyone. So B will be the correct option. Next question in part 1. Next question in part 1. C9 question is also demanded by some students. So look at the C9 question. C9. C9 we have already done. Now D9. 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 So the name of the alkyl group. So my dear students, my dear, this is the alkyl group. CH2, CH3. And beta this is here. So it's a secondary now. So secondary group is only present in secondary. This carbon connected to 2 carbon. That's why it's a secondary and beta 4 carbon butyl. So secondary butyl group, this one. Okay, Tarun beta. Correct everyone. F2 question. Look at the F2 question. F2. F2 question is beta the correct IUPAC name. The correct. Now I will tell you how can you solve such kind of questions. I think this is not the correct. This is the correct structure. SO3H. So my dear, SO3H is a functional group. It means we are assuming it to be in a main chain. So this is the parent chain. This is the parent chain. Now the problem is that आइदर वी चूज डबल बॉन्ड और अ सिंगल चेन। तो बेटा डबल बॉन्ड को प्रायोरिटी पहले मिलती है, आपको याद होगा। अरे बोलो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। अरे बोलो बच्चों, correct, double bond we will give more priority. Now beta numbering from the functional group side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's a 7 ethyl. Okay beta, 5 per oxo. Correct everyone. So you can give the name 7 ethyl 5 oxo 5 oxo oct 7 in 7 in and 2 sulfonic acid. So B will be the correct answer. Correct everyone. सर J4, बेटा J4 ही बता रहा हूँ मैं। अच्छा, it's not a J4, correct. When we have a number of messages ना, then sometime I also confuse. अब बच्चा एक बोल रहा है J4, फिर बच्चा बोल रहा है C4। अरे टीचर यार कहाँ तक एडजस्ट करेगा? J4, look at the J4 students. J4 is a very beautiful question. तो कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन है वो। एंड बच्चों वी हैव साइनाइड और अपन के पास कुछ ऐसा है। करेक्ट एवरीवन, करेक्ट एवरीवन, करेक्ट। अब साइनाइड क्या है? सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है अपने पास, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है जिसको अपन कार्बोनाइट्राइल भी बोलते हैं, इफ यू रिमेंबर। So cyanide is a functional group, so we give priority to a functional group firstly. So when we give the numbering from here, जब अपन यहाँ से numbering देंगे, so it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Correct everyone? Then 7 8. Either you have this opportunity, either you have this opportunity. Give 1 2 3 4 5. Correct everyone? So which one is the correct numbering? Here you can give the numbering second. Here you can give the numbering third. So which one is correct? Red color marking. So that's why this red will be the correct one. Why? Sir, lowest numbering 6, then 7, then 8. Correct everyone? Now you can give the name according to the option. So it's a bicyclo compound. Yes, it's a bicyclo. It's a 2 carbon, so it's a 222. Then beta we have 8 carbon, so oct. And then beta we have 5 in. So where the 5 in? Only the A option will have 5 in. So the answer will be the A option. Correct. So we give the priority to the functional group firstly, then the double bond, my dear. Correct. करेक्ट तरुण 18 के 18 बोलो बेटा, 18 के मत बोलो, 18th के 18 क्वेश्चन देखो बेटा, के 18 क्वेश्चन, के 18 क्वेश्चन दैट आइडेंटिफाई द रिलेशन. So beta it's clearly mentioned that first is ester and second is also ester. Yeah, acid. First is acid, I think. देखो वो acid है, COOH. And second one is what beta? They are putting like that. So this is what, my dear? So this is acid and this is ester. So beta the answer is functional isomers. Correct. Now we are moving towards H6. अब अभी अपन J पर थे, अब अपन H पर जा रहे हैं. H6. So IUPAC name of this compound. So write down H6 students. H6. So we are getting bromine, CH2, CH, CONH2. Beta acid amide is a functional group. Be remember. Then we have C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Correct. Now beta this is the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So beta it's a नेमिंग कहाँ होगी? देखो 1 then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. So बेटा 3 पर ऑक्सो है और 2 पर क्या है, ब्रोमो मिथाइल, ब्रोमो मिथाइल. So 2 bromo methyl, 3 oxo hexamide, you can say. Correct everyone. But beta Tarun beta, answer is functional isomers. Please forget the answers. It's a acid and ester, so it's a functional isomer. Simple. Okay everyone. Tell me some other problem. Otherwise, I will move to the part 2. Part 2. There is no part 2. Okay. It's exercise 1 yaar. Only part 1 is there in medical seat. Yes, 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 yes. Can you please tell me some more problems? Otherwise, exercise 2 पर चलते हैं अपन. Any problem from exercise 2? Exercise 2 से problem है students. Exercise 2. You just tell me the question number. Shishir said question number 6. Look at the 6th question, beta. Look at the 6th. So let's say if are having exercise 2 6th question. So CH3, C, single bond Cl, and we are getting double bond, then CH3, then beta CH, then CC, then C triple bond CH. So you choose the parent chain where we have maximum multiple bonds. So where we have maximum multiple bonds, I think this is the straight chain. This is straight chain. Now beta give the numbering. अब अपन को numbering करनी है. अब जब अपन numbering करते हैं, so we will give the lowest locant to the multiple bond. Correct? अपन को multiple bond को lowest numbering देनी है. If I'm given from here, so 2, here 1. So that's why this is the correct one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can give the numbering. So it's a 6 chloro, 4 ethyl, 5 methyl, heft 5 in 1 9. So A will be the correct answer. Okay. 11th question देखो बेटा. हेमंत बेटा, you can start the exercise 2. Okay today. So guys आपको ना exercise 2 भी complete कर लेनी है अगर आपने start नहीं किया तो. तो बेटा it's a, देखो इस compound को. So बेटा it's a N cyclohexyl. Cyclohexyl. It's a N cyclohexyl. It's a 6-membered ring. It's a by mistake. Okay. So it's a N cyclohexyl, or you can say N. Why they are phenyl? Okay, okay, okay. This is a benzene ring. So beta we are saying N phenyl. Okay, and cyclohexane carboxamide. So this group is called phenyl group. Correct, beta. Next problem. Next problem in exercise 2. We have almost 35 problems in exercise 2. You can ask me a question from exercise 3 also, students. Guys, complete the exercise 2 and 3 on the priority basis. We remember for this weekend test, you need to prepare. Anushka, you are saying what? Exercise 2, question number 19. Okay. 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 Beta, this is a question 3 phenyl prop to enoic acid. This one, Anushka. Okay, so they are saying 3 phenyl propanoic acid. 1, 2, 3 prop 2 in मतलब 2 per in है. Let's say if I'm saying this one. So beta this is COH, and they are saying 3 phenyl, 3 per phenyl ring है. Correct. So अपन का कुछ ये ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर है. अरे यार, तो बेटा कुछ ये ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर लग रहा है मुझे. करेक्ट. करेक्ट एवरीवन. तो इसका नाम होता है सिनेमिक एसिड. आई थिंक इसका नेम होगा सिनेमिक एसिड. सर हाउ कैन वी लर्न? यू लर्न डायरेक्टली यार. कॉमन नेम का कोई कंसेप्ट थोड़ी ना होता है. Are you getting? Common name का there will be no concept बेटा. 3 phenyl. So it's a 3 phenyl. Correct. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ninth question देखो बेटा. The correct IUPAC name. Cinnamic acid. This one. Cinnamic acid. Ninth question देखो बेटा. The correct IUPAC name of HAPT. HAPT बोला तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. अब बेटा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are saying HAPT 3. HAPT 3 in. HAPT 3 in. HAPT 3 in. 5 in. 5 in. 2 on. 2 on. Answer. Correct everyone. So this is the ninth question. Next one, students. Next one. Time is up. Yes, time is up. We will continue our discussion in the next class, students. Okay, so complete the exercise 2 and exercise 3 also. I'm taking your doubts in the exercise 2 and exercise 3 in the next class. Correct, everyone? So that's it from today. We will meet tomorrow. Bye, take care. Have a good day, doctors. Be happy, doctors. Stay happy, stay blessed, and हमेशा खुश रहो.